Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if Netflix says go to netflix.com and then finish going to sign up with your account. So you simply make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to finish signing up with our account, why this happens in the first place is because if you have created an account but your payment option is actually inactive, which means that Netflix is not being able to charge you from a payment method that you have added. So you might as well want to make sure to go to complete the sign up process by going to your browser, not from the app. By the way, keep that in mind. Come to your browser, go to netflix.com, try to sign in to your account and follow the instruction. If they'll ask you to add a debit or credit card, make sure to do that. Now just to check whether or not that you are getting shots properly, on the top right hand side after you log in, you will find this profile icon right over here. You want to go to the option called account. Once you go to the option called accounts, here you will see all details. You can see plan details, profile and parental control. You will also actually be able to see your current payment info. So just go to manage payment info and ensure that all of your payment details are currently correct, and also make sure that you have been charged last month, because if that happens, Netflix might not be able to log into your account. The other thing you can try to do is simply try to sign out by clicking on the sign out option over here and then try to sign back into your account. So just select go now over here. Once you do that, click on the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen. Make sure to enter your email and password and sign into your account, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.